Welcome back, shop rats. We're on the road with the car trailer heading over to load up the golden mullet. Let's watch the show intro. I'll see you in about 30 seconds. I'm Mike, and this is my car shop.
Working out of a 100-year-old refurbished barn, bringing 35 years of experience to projects considered beyond repair. Vision, creativity, and problem solving are essential tools in this place. Watch as we transform junk into polished metal miracles. This is my car's shop.
The best laid plans. We've been planning to do this today for quite a while, and the weather's been gorgeous and things have been nice and dry. And of course today, now that we're actually moving forward to
get her done,
it's raining. Go figure. But that's just the way that it is. So we don't have too far to go. We're going to have a bit of a job of work to get that on there, but my buddy John has a tractor. I'm sure we'll just, we'll I don't know if you'll be able to see or not because I'm going to be focused on loading, but we'll get it on there, and I definitely will show you some stuff. So, yeah, let's just see how it unfolds as we go. Good Lord, this road is rough. I had kind of tentatively put some plans together on, remember the one wheel is ripped off on the front, so I had kind of a plan on how I was going to patch that together while it was still on the trailer, but I might not be able to accomplish that, so we may have to go the old-fashioned way to get it off the trailer. We'll see what kind of time I have and so forth, but it's going to be fun. It's going to be interesting. I always like a challenge, and this is definitely going to be one of the biggest challenges I've ever taken on. See my little devil horns pop up? There she is, right there to the left. Just going to sit here till he gets back with the tractor and we come up with a game plan. This one was a little bit. Yep, there it goes. Might have been partly because it's so flat. Whoa. Let me get the ramps up, John. Alrighty then, we're loaded up and heading home. We're going to take our time. We're not in any hurry. So I got to think of the best way to get home. Try to stay off the highways, and it's it's on there. It's tied down, but just being cautious and careful, because I didn't tie it down like I was taking a 3-hour tour on the SS Minnow or anything. So only got to go about, I think it's 10 miles, so it's not that far. But all right, so if I think of anything else to tell you, I'll tell you. Otherwise, we'll see you back at the shop. And there she is, folks, sitting on the trailer. So she's home here at the shop, and the first thing I got to do is get this front wheel back on there. I'm hoping that I've got a set of control arms and spindles and stuff off of a B body. Hopefully I can just throw those on there temporarily and be able to roll it around. Back wheels are froze up a little bit, but I love this wrench here. I love that. Grill is in just beautiful shape on this car. Both John and I were concerned with all the ways we were moving stuff around that something was going to happen to it. Don't care about the bumper. It's got a big blister over here anyway, so it's pretty much junk. But for the plans I have for this car, we'll find some good bumper somewhere to throw on there. Want to get this door adjusted. It's just I thought the chassis might be spread, but the door is just way out of adjustment, so we'll get that straightened up and get the wheels off and get things so they spin. Pretty much the whole underside of this car is gone. It's got good tail lights. I believe it has the lights for the deck lid, so that's good. All I really care about, all I'm really interested in with this car is just the shell. I have plans. I'll see if I can get that open so you can look inside. So she's a mouse special for sure. You can see we got a lot of weight reduction over there in the floor for racing, so that's good. A lot of extra parts inside the car. We'll get it out of there and get an evaluation on exactly what all we got here. But it's a shell, and that's all I really wanted, was just a body shell. Well, thanks for going along. We got it home safe, so now we got to get it so it rolls and get it off the trailer, or at least we'll get the cherry picker out and pick the front end of it up and drag the trailer out from underneath it or something. But that's not going to be today. I got other stuff I got to get done today, so I don't normally do this stuff on a weekday, but it is a Tuesday night, and got to get back after stuff. So that'll do it. We're on the Face Thing. Instagramma loves us. She gives us cookies and stuff. We're here on the U-Thing /My Car Shop. Make sure you like and subscribe, and all the hoo-ha you're supposed to do to help things out. Let's spread the word. One thing you could do that would be very helpful: share a video. If you like it, share it with a friend. Share the channel with people. Let other people know. Get the word out if you would. That would be great. All right, that'll do it. Oh, I almost forgot. Rock!